but you know, spread out.
Okay.
Carolyn, you guys hold on. Don't kick it yet. Okay. Okay, Katarina. Katarina and Leo, you okay?
Daddy, why I the kicker?
You're gonna kick it?
Why I kicker? Cause I go a goal.
Do you have a big kick? Yeah.
Daddy,
Coach said you were gonna kick. You have a big kick. So when he tells you to kick, you kick it as hard as you can. Okay?
Why? To try
Okay.
that goal.
Listen.
Carolyn, Nicholas, Callie, just stand back this way. Nicholas, you go in the goal.
Listen to Coach. I think he wants you to kick it to a teammate. Whoever's on your team, kick it really, really hard to him.
Why?
Listen to Coach. Just listen to him. He's gonna tell you how to do it. Okay?
That goal, baby.
No. Okay, listen to Coach. Listen to Coach.
You can kick it to, you want to try and kick it towards the goal. If you're really good, you can score. But that's all right. So you want to try and get to Leo or Katarina? Okay, and you want to run it? You can run and kick this, okay?
Landon, you could run, like he says. You could run and kick it like you do at home.
Here it comes, here it comes. Okay, to Katarina or Leo? You want to go that way? Go for it, Landon. Go for it.
Landon.
Hold up. Stay on this side of it. Go for it.
Kick it straight out.
There you go. Get it, Katarina.
Good job, buddy.
All right, Katarina, take it the other way. Katarina, get it. Go ahead. Oh, get it out of bounds.